Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to type text on a blank PDF page using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF file, and this is my PDF file, and I'll type text to this blank page and click on this home option already selected, this menu bar, and this is type text option. Click here and type anywhere. As this typing tool now showing here. Now type new text. Also you can copy and paste here text and see this text box, and here you can see this text font size. Click here and select and see this. You can align and so on. You can see this text, and also you can indicate this text box size, press space key and also press enter and type second line and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can type text on a blank PDF page. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.